Yasaba ya twa come on so ha me say ma me na was so agibra wo hwe bedwem on Adom TV multi TV so me kai say pay for trust ya sa. Era Kofi Adom satena say hwe nim say Collins Adom commensa for the New Patriotic Party. It was a member of parliament for a year Kwabre North as better as na yetimi edi yen common. Kofi Akwaba.
Yeah.
I think it's a good news for your party. The last time we share Monsi Bibia Akoto kama.
Well, Odi kama minchia iti fani afefo, especially my constituency.
Well, of course, my mom what kind of crime? I mean, taking this opportunity that I can't share boom for after all. The NDC as a party, Anka sending Kofi Adams in the West. And what's the about boom for I don't want to talk much. I think it's better to also be in the interest of boom. Kofi 1, Kofi 2, Kofi 3, then maybe Kofi 4, no much of that POB man is on an investor versus still or grounds. The Kofi 1, Kofi 2, Kofi 4, Kofi 1, Kofi 2, Kofi 3. That fourth one, Mama will be quiet so Madam was in advance because my checks indicated for so far, Kofi. I don't know, but there's nobody showing up to contest. I think it's fair. And I'm saying, what we need back way, yeah, copy me over sign. But I'm very sure that by the time maybe do not necessarily money now.
Me that one
no, that is the reality. That is the reality.
One made us here, but Yenyam be nomination. You be nomination.
What you be in that?
I'm saying 22nd and 23rd February.
Oh, enemy here.
And I be nomination. And online, be available online. Which you will be now we are picking from.
Okay.
We endorse you now we be submission.
Wow.
So ye be and but me am more than convinced. Say a juma no dear me almost share yensano in the last 2 years. Ya ye bebre ya ye beto aso aye papa ya share aseno.
Okay.
Enti mi chia omunyina.
So back to my issue, NDC. Bibia Koto.
Well, me can't tell now no me buy say a normal occurrence. Society eba with its own challenges. You see, we secret say apro. I will say wutua. Ye tukra ema emuja kakra ye den eba. Let alone maybe a beer obeka say look very fresh. Employee.
And the problems be
beba.
But it's about how you manage it.
It's about how you managed it. And Tinami Ketchero said, by all means, as a political party, dear, you be managing. Now we have proven. Say, a decision and penny for no FI, no, completely bad. Maybe process be any binumanya then anti-as. It means the decision itself, any decision bad. Process no any binumanya then anti-as then bad. So after the engagement, you surely will accept it. According to say, eduania when him say by all means nipa no bedi. Maybe a choir ofa so a serve eduano no ena ha nipa no kakra na enye eduane na nkasa na nipa no ye den empe. So I knew that we were going to get to the point that we have got. Omo now omo wishi say oman beye bija enti asra for and prepare on the 7th of February. That they said the military should come to parliament again and so on and so forth. Nothing has happened. Omo wishi sano ye train amomo ayo mudie. Ehona yebe hu. Because
on that note,
already no.
And I miss on that note, what already so. But my era Collins Adom comments, remember the Kwaba. Almost the end and Kaja demo could be any commodian than a jabbetum because we a card debt Commodore Musa war, Chimens Abusweni. A card debt.
Now, Commodian are still no. I don't know,
prepare. Acquire say, I may do necessary or Bassy Chimens Abecordia. and they been so when you offend you say opposition it's one also no ada dina me nya ada age catch ro mo so omunye din e wo mo din na eba because omudi ene de ko wi age mo pattern mo ni go o ba kwa ba
Collins akwa ba
it dey can na unti
oh wati be oba pretend say onti ye oba pretend ne strategy ni de bia ade no wati kra be say onti ye
asiba ka wa
onti kra asif say o mai o ma no akwa ba onti ye but omudi ene serious
very serious
very serious na ni awoka ene ye no kra because me so matiti from yes honorable Ayimedu ni din epie honorable Alexander Markin so no so ni din epie so far he's represented them well but nya omu be bia no ti say nya ya obuabin ebeka ye efa Dr. Baumia ho no just Dr. Baumia de na okan but me de bia me hunu in MPP as a totality. I say wo fa Baumia et say wo tom prekonam e de e wo bibia nkramo 40 chiwade
kasi
obia I say we ko fa Dr. Baumia for election 2024 et say wo tom prekonam e mankramo 40
and go for the chiwade crowd
and America say enye Dr. Baumia nko
omo maka nyina
MPP wo ko ton omo omegina nyina say wo ko akoton for 2024 et say wo ton prekonam edema nkramofo by extension or no or can on just Dr. Baumia but me catch will say it is the MPP in its totality say nia ye penyi ba kun respected economics Kwame Pie nim Ebeka fa finance minister ho say Kenoforiata to say abofra ono anwa fa tuo ekum ne papa eni ne mami ye de no court ni plea ni say mamu mfa me court because me orphaned me janka me papa eni me mami ewu me wa na oku that description of finance minister Kenoforiata by respected Kwame Pie nim no enye just Kenoforiata o the whole about MPP mo na mukum economy no mo na mo say mo ye kumbaya mo wasting sika no nyama boni this same finance minister Abra Ghana ye in debt to GDP any number 56% no say on TV da indeed at a point echo through to about even 70% or the dede eka ho asem say that is high level of incompetence in over 100% in under him or say bibia so it is not Kenoforiata but a MPP in its totality but well I can understand respected Kwame Pie nim say or MPP ni enti you say ontumi mfa nensa benku nkyere the entirety of MPP and you obey be to blame but I can tell you clearly say it is not just about Kwame Pie nim and Dr. Baumia it is the MPP as a group
so our Collins akwa ba bio and then one moment say me Kofi say my can dey wo say
me ya pay Kofi check me Dr. Baumia dey I'm sorry kakansa
Obo Dr. Baumia.
Yes. Last time I catch you. Me see within 17 years, one man skillfully, intelligently, in a mastery manner, or occupy 70 to 80% of all political discussions. Ultimately, political discussion. Abraham Bonidin.
Dr. Baumia.
A simple question. Rest of where NDC was Dr. Baumia. Simple question. Very simple question. Very simple question.
That yes, you NDC.
Yes, you NDC. I said Dr. Baumia. Dr. Baumia, hey, Haruna. Cool, I'm here. Haruna, we. What's my idea? Cool way.
And you cool. A norm.
What norm is that?
Leadership change.
What leadership change is that? Why the 70 people sign so Montiase? Why?
So Omunye happy with the process.
Please. Which process?
Ah, edi esi.
Cool pa no mo ye, cool no mo ye Haruna no. Cool pa no mo ye.
I say no nkwa na akọ.
Why na
kem.
Ba ko akọ. Omuja mienu no muja, onom support yes edu nketi doing this campaign. What are you talking about? Mienu no onom support yes edu nketi. I mean, I pay Dr. Baumia. Reshuffle Kekabo can watch him. Was it Dr. Baumia? What has Dr. Baumia got to do with the NDC coup? What has Dr. Baumia got to do with it?
Or you're the vice president of the land.
And to Haruna.
We are talking about policies, sir.
Which policies? Question Busan, was it a policy question? Question Busan, in your opinion, was it the policy question? Obie demanding for 6 years as your leader. Waboma mumenya speaker. Na na junko fo me no akwatna sa to letter apam.
And they say won't me very.
O say nyeku.
I know they won't say sanity.
Ah, nanya sanity.
A decision by the NDC cannot.
Me pato enyem na me kan yo. Ah, na asema me kan yo ntia na. Enyem na me kan. Dr. Ines ma wan consult. All of them 70 people no so mante. What's Dr. Baumia? What has Dr. Baumia got to do with your reshuffle? Enu ntu dia bet na ha o kan Dr. Baumia ho asem. Na preko na de wepe boabi asama me nyankasa mente tape na work no minim say what dey na ware
mente me hwe.
I have seen other people ma trust say a fake news. I don't know nyankasa de mente here, but if say me nya penyin boabi asama kan say I disagree with him. I disagree with him totally. He has openly declared so Alan Chematin, no problem. And me can dey be Alan send me a communication director. There are too many positives about Alan. Too many positives. I'll dwell on that. There are too many positives about Alan Chematin. This is a man who nearly became World Trade Organization president. Too many things to say about him. I'll dwell on your opponent. That's what I'm saying. Is me Bompire said they all can no correct. But if it is so correct, I disagree with Boabian Samoa. I disagree with him. Na say Dr. Baumia every day NDC Dr. Omaka Dr. Baumia ho asem sa.
But anya no kafa no say anya papa o. When you worried.
Me see. Me are worried. He is occupying your space. Mo no ha mo. You see the old din here bo. But a simple question about NDC reshuffle. Was it Dr. Baumia? It's Dr. Baumia and Pam Harina and Pam Muntaka.
Now you use the word pam.
Now don't we when
the party takes decision.
Which party are you talking about? It's saying get anyway part of me on the party.
The NDC. Oh, but sir, no one tell the omo kan na.
One can say
NDC for
one mo they are in the kan na. Another mutala kan no. Another sumi ni on Facebook. Men kan ma na. Men kan ma.
So who out here chire na person to Boko Park no so.
I mean na me to Boko Park. Eh ye cool no mo ye o ma pam no.
So yembra back to the issue.
Ah, fair was say obi calibration for I was say Dr. Baumia. Dr. Baumia
Opposite can be okay.
Apam
Clearly, okay say oba ha no na onti ha. Na na so ni ha. Enti wo kasa kura onti. Now we tie say we be say questions about the ekoso e wo party. To the point say now person omode omunsa ewo chairmansa enim and that ayimedu any afenyon marking ni din kura aba up but ni na want it say wo be sam no wo be sam FIMPP and that is their nature but me sisubium say Dr. Baumia ye be kan ho asem
wo ni asem bi aka bi
wonima because obedi ntro echere Ghana for ntro clear lies
ebra no opposition oppressor
obeba benum obedi ntro echere Ghana for na ntro na obedi yenti ena nkofo ehwe so ede to aba ema ene wotie Dr. Baumia ne nkofo omu kasama na omu si yentie na asem
yentie Dr. Baumia
o si yentie na asem na we vice president Number 2, na yentie wasema. Minister ntie wasema. Enya wo be president, then I be tie wasema.
So we are vice, sir.
Me say we are vice. Number 2, president ena ede wa hye ho. President na wa fawo. Onya gidie e wo wumu. moko first round no or sanfa obiu. Currently as we speak ukra but he said the president and his everything ukra no geared towards supporting the cause. So they have whipped omunye now online. Say open say yebebo wudi a obetna TV ni radio so a obeka Dr. Baumia say
and the what
eno na meti because we kasetia Dr. Baumia says here the system will come against you but yebeka because of bonia omo ababe ye omo ene Dr. Baumia as chairman of the economic management team nkokora na mrewakora demonstration what be pen say nkokora in your life at least say when who be in the first republic when who second republic now maybe you didn't even feel the third republic that much fourth republic there what is say nkokora any mrewa akọ demonstration da but Dr. Baumia under him as chairman of the economic management team mrewa nkokora ekọ demonstration say yensika ya hwehwa to ho no Dr. Baumia ni kenoforiata omo gi efiri ye enti ye beka no ho asem
okay
ye beka no ho asem bonia onu di Ghana for at the time ye tutu tokro ye di 390 million Ghana cedi tutu tokro say ye kosi cathedral ye tuetu asika ensem fata de manipa say kokoye drawing ade a ya so hu da say ye back ye ba be ye di drawing amanipa ne say kokko draw ye tia wo sika wie ye wie a ye say wa fe die ye pese ye bibia ye bedidi Bible restaurant bibia ye bedidi enti ye review kakra eno so $5 million
yeah na oka wase
meka na President Akufo-Addo cathedral na omu ye di 390 million ye di tutu form ato 390 million
they say if you move koso
you me na koso
engineer
na say sika ya spend ye wo ho ye di abre parliament
say say if you muni wie pe ni hu say sika na anko yia
basa enu na make say wo gigi sika from kokora any mrewa ho a omu ye demonstration ni omu di sika no eye ni so ye be ka ho asem ye be bo Dr. Baumia din
Kofi
I can assure you say ye be bo ni din ye be ka boni a omu di oman Ghana
no problem with that
we will talk about it today we will talk about it tomorrow Oni ya obuabe
on tea on ka
on nya adwen kura
na what kura no so on adwen differently from
what obuabe was their is immediate past director of communication that's all be ka say ye koton ye the Dr. Baumia ba as candidate it say ye ton prekonan
me wo video a me nua panyi ya bo abe mu studio here asempa no praise Dr. Baumia so what has changed and I make us say
because at that time at that time so for demonstration
okay
so video make can say me akasa there Kofi me
over 100%.
no problem Kofi
the point I'm making is say me akasa there
me say moving forward no NDC form and what you say never would they take Dr. Mahmoud Baumia from their conversation.
And I make us say, do di niebo. It's a guy, mama. Yeah, do di niebo.
Mama say it niebo.
Mama, Debbie, my okay,
ye kata yasem.
Of course, ye kata.
Ye kata yasem.
For example, for come friend to Masem de Kofi can
so
ye ko dey na person ka oka.
Maybe what's the reshuffle in the MPP? In terms of your leadership.
Leadership.
Yeah, the person leadership. Ye will process your femo. Yen 12 letter Sunday and you mere envan come speaker.
Say I may do Sunday. I go through a process.
Process anything. Omo fake omo meeting here.
Now NDC.
I know what I'm talking about. Why is it that the Council of Elders now had to meet to ensure that there is sanity? What is he talking about? Yeah, the engine is how. You perceive such a mensa. There's a process you be film.
It's woman there.
Yeah, 12 letter and I don't come speaker say pamono. You said omo ya
woman there na be bad abe.
Yenya obi ya can't say president Chimenza.
No, me say, Moody, everybody be.
Yeah, this is such a mensa. And even if we want to change mensa, the processes will be transparent. And now end is for the enemy.
Inti anyi medu ana ayafenyo
The American say whether anyi medu or afenyo marking, your process will be transparent and clear. Oh. And now Naju, I first say Dr. Baumia, he told lies. And again, for two man, lies. Many Kofi Baba can't intro once and what. Hey, Kofi.
And they will be all.
No, catch on one time premium. Before they came to 2008.
You say no bomb because it's not possible.
Sir, it will be light.
It's not possible.
No. Let's be specific. And so they lied. Are you telling me they lied?
Now, can't say no.
You see, the Dr. Baumia be can't drop. And again, for sure, so to Abamano.
They don't do anything, man. Yet,
so, and no somewhere one time premium. And again, and again, for sure, so to Abamon, which was in their manifesto. Did they lie? It's His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, who was then the vice presidential candidate. Did he lie? Is he a liar? Not my young Kohokra. Let's keep it like this. Say Dr. Baumia, if you're talking about lies and that's a promise that have not been fulfilled, the NDC don't have any moral authority.
But you agree, sir.
What are you talking about?
You agree, sir. Dr. Baumia's promises, no. The MPP's promises.
If you are calling him a liar, I am saying, sir, the person ordered back to replace Dr. Baumia and as an MPP government. You know, how am I going to describe the person? When the same person had told us, say, obey you, okay. That's the point I'm making.
My last point on this. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, as running mate to late Professor J.E.A. Mills, and as presidential candidate of NDC in the 2012 general elections, when Jina Bibia ankan about one-time premium. So, see idea manifesto assembly John Dramani Mahama.
Manifesto.
Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Nankasa.
It was in your manifesto.
Please, menka manifesto as say you confirm manifesto dia and yanka ye wie ne. Collins. Meka nia Dr. Baumia Nankasa. Wo bie nenum asem ekaye. Me come manifesto kura obi no chroye. I'm saying that.
Are you saying John Dramani Mahama was not involved in the writing of the manifesto?
Men can manifesto who asem kura. Me can ya onwa obi enum ye den ekaye.
Yembre fina in
Dr. Baumia Kojina Cape Coast or see Cape Coast for Muntie. Ye the airport bremu. Ye the bremu. Ni nyina okaye. E dey na ekusi. Dr. Baumia okoye Malata market inflation calculations. Dr. Baumia. Eno na ya bo abi kai no. O say mo ko fa no
so Collins yembre
how will you hear?
I've not heard it.
How will you hear?
Yembre and come on so yen clear way I think on both political parties on the side and sometimes media for yenina as Ghana this year. So I'll be happy if we can approach it from that angle. NDC no kasa Kumasi no. Eno am hwehwe mu na me kwa bakose mu na me hu say that has been the trend because yenyina asoso at this point yenyina ye hard on that NDC person even though nobody majority 99.5 will never is not subscribing to your kind. How do we solve that problem? Because it's like, yeah, it's like I didn't.
What's say 99% of women are subscribing to that you know.
No, Ghanaians, Nameka say Obibesu Sosaka say which one?
Sir, Pacho, the youth organizer of the NDC. Yenya down for Yenya George Opariado. See, some of kind. We're on the Facebook page, Pacho. The youth wing stands in complete solidarity with our Suame youth organizer, Razak Kwampa. His comments may be extreme, but they are in direct response to years of extreme violence meted out to NDC activists. Yet justice has not been served. It was in 99 and supported. The youth commander, Do the NDC for ni na mebuno anymore no. I say they are in solidarity.
Say omuntimi ndani omochi entirely.
So they support what you say.
But they can condemn.
The reading condemnation.
Even though
the youth wing stands in complete solidarity with our Suame youth organizer.
They are aligned because or how any can say no you're going to federal card saying
yes Miba Razak Kwampa his comment may be extreme.
It's extreme. It's not maybe.
And I was saying, almost statement from the youth commander. So how do we solve the problem? Question we say, how do we solve the problem? When the youth general is in solidarity with what the guy said. How do we solve it? The first time it's here, you say me. Say obi about for about the and make sure say his essence be NDC member power intino for about obi and have the youth national youth organizer of the party release this statement in solidarity with the gentleman. It is okay say how do we solve this problem? I don't see how we are going to solve this problem. They have made their point clear that they are in solidarity. Now the amount of Makoma Etom Yem Kakra was what Sami Jenfi wrote. Patriote Sami Jenfi there. We have taken notice of a video in circulation on social media in which the NDC youth organizer for Suame is heard making some statements that border on possible reprisals to state-sponsored violence during elections. We note that the young man misspoke. This is how you should speak. That is why this morning I'm happy. I'm glad that Sami Jenfi wrote this. My respect to Sami Jenfi. You condemn it first, then you move on. Also, the young guy misspoke. Two people, the national executive of the NDC. Two people, one communication director, one youth organizer. Youth organizer has complete solidarity. The other ones say you misspoke. That is the NDC leadership. That is it. This is from the official statement from for the party now. You condemn it and then you move on. But could you say yeah, they are complete? You can't carry any again. You go come nipan any again. You go come nipan NDC mapa on any again. How can you speak like this? How? As the youth commander, how do you speak like this? Inciting your own people. As some patrol, so wait, my boy, are you even? You have the balls to even play it on air. Wait, my boy, now, when you can't say, look at him. I will say, or no, dear, or you're strong, or you're the born. Or my me, me 2 weeks going to be exercise. So I can't make me face it. Now, this young man is heard boldly. Say, we shall far babu.
Yeah, never man is Akukudro.
You commander never man is Akukudro. When you have your youth commander, the one he reports to, say, I am solidly behind you. And no man is Akukudro, no Kazan.
Not the environment of finding itself.
Which environment?
The political space. Now.
Which is?
Obey references among.
Which references? So I'm saying, if something happened in the past, now you're wrong. Does that justify this statement?
It does not, but the BBC. Na montonsu yisinto a emanipa enye bufo ni di ya
ente bufo ni se wo hye obi na oyekoto aba fa aba abolitim
bi se BBC na se sa asotwe bi bem ana kokobo bi bem
enti kokobo ama
enye nipa nyina na betimi ahye omo so akodu so ampempenso na wo kan
enti mi se kokobo ama enti your response to say kokobo ama no
and the anyway
and say fa aba abolitim. Can you get the logic? So obi aye bone in the past yam punish no. It is always show before for abolition. Is that the logic? Is that the logic? And I'm saying, I'm happy that Sami Jenfi releases this statement. Because that statement from Sami Jenfi makes absolute sense. And I'm with you on that. You condemn it, and then you can say all that you want to say.
I see.
But youth commander, I'm not kind of there. Uncle delete graphic the Facebook page.
Kofi, what the solution ba na so so be my reference that for you.
Omahini. Assembia say the car. Or say o ye then
ko wachi ko hwe de ko.
Asana wetimi aka nia ekoso ne. Na wahwe kwan a ye befa so are dealing with that. So I'm surprised. Maybe Collins is a young man and he baby inyama bi wo ho a either say waye na adwen say o pese obeka ho ase. Ye wo manim. Ena His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Ono a oye penyu onya mebu ye say abofraka mofrasem nanka penyi beka penyinsem. At His Excellency's age then okojina platform so I dey no kai o say all that o say etiwa ye kire won bibi kakra. What happened in etiwa na ye violence and all die be die owo bia ye then ye wu and election na ye be kono munye ready say mu be wu be kunkum nipa na ye kunkum.
Thank you.
Well, I'm giving you interpretation just like the way just like the way Abofranu Omispoki yeah manu interpretation.
No, my interpretation. I'm just quoting.
Me ma Kofi dey na chance.
Kofi, sorry, but
we will say Kofi ayine ne ho
I didn't interpret it. I quoted what the gentleman said.
What did he say?
He says of our Bible between. I didn't misquote him.
And I make her say,
what the man call the
o say etiwa ye kire ho no bibi kakra etiwa ye den
ono so chese etiwa basa si wo
basa dey see it. Me I was there. Etiwa I was there. I was Deputy General Secretary. I saw what happened. Anita the social no ye bu won ye chesu won ye nyama basa me hu ye si e wo
Kofi wa femu bi o.
Papa
so etiwa
but
me one thing about me operation is they call elections even if I'm moving with security you won't see it.
That's the man.
You won't see it.
So
even if I'm moving with security you won't see it. But there wo there e ho na wo be hu say me nam ho no
me so baboa me ho
me nam so you don't overly expose yourself to some of the anti me hu be bring. But that was what His Excellency said when him say oh yeah no instead of it being condemned no enkrofo ye hu t-shirts
all die be die
osra betena mu studio ha
all die be die
na o share all die be die t-shirts oslewusu ono so je lawyer mante wo condemnation
That let me
o printing hu t-shirt so o betena mu studio ha eye bejo pro this same program ayeye o betena ha no share all die be die. That was one. Ma'am, my uncle Ken, the chairman of the Defense and Interior Committee, I say, Munkunkum crime for any I before. Kill guns, kill airways.
Say no be card.
Now said, Abrantia no so obezi on Inyama.
Say so conditional.
Yen kunkum in crime for any amuna for. When they decide to take him on, hey, I didn't know say you take you on Ken. That was the position of MPP then.
It wait no man is now they basa.
Never be brain. Bia or say youth branch constituency youth organizer. National youth organizer of MPP. Or say omonfa womanfu. One thing, honestly, now yeah.
No, Baba first.
One thing, National Youth Organizer, and your constituency youth organizer. I say, you're moving for women. Now, Ukoto, itu any idea, or make us say, oh, and no, the anti peak person, any idea for you to attack.
Debbie,
look, in Yama Bebre, ACC, look at what happened. Ewa was so West Wagon. Emil Short in the commission of inquiry or Muye. Now, no meet Professor Herienta Oba mo other platforms so a obekasa ye bisa nsem fa omo ejuma omo ye ho and the implementation of the report they are not happy.
This morning I've spoken extensively about it.
Because senka ye implement this report, violent act report now. Exactly. Ebema obi be kasa, emphasize the honor, be careful. But we didn't implement it. Nya yete ye no azugu no mu ye sande no we say no gusu ho until say bibi to one of mu journalists colleagues no we say na ogusu che ho. You see, when you do things like this, sometimes and the official statement, one lawyer is the communication officer of NDC. And near another officer on the Facebook page. No. Well, you can reference him.
He's the national on the letter.
I am not saying referencing him no enyadia maybe wakaboni.
Okay.
Because that may be his personal position or opinion or expression.
But is that not dangerous?
Please.
If that is his personal
what is the party's position?
And America say one your friend communication officer of NDC.
I don't know what wrong. And also
one can say nya ochro ye no is woni ne ya adwen.
The make no say. So
Collins.
Some can say many adwen.
Be see.
But why are you pushing away the youth organizer?
I'm not pushing away.
Are you condemning
communication?
I am not pushing away.
Are you condemning it?
I am saying that I am not pushing away. Official position
of the party.
You have not you won't condemn no.
Niameka enyina all die. Kill guns, kill airways. Mumfa womefu mante official communication from the party Omeka say yempeni fwe misspoke. Mante. Indeed, ewaya waso eswagom after commission kra ye omejuma no white paper Abaine de Baino was virtually more like covering up. Were you happy? Abraham Mumrantie, Omubora court in Emma Jeja, Omse Matissa, she was pregnant even at that time.
I condemned it.
Ojane, was that something that is good?
It's not good. It's not.
More regional security liaison officer, Nyao Yedi Yen, a former police officer. Nya Yedi Yen Nanka Bruce, Ewo presidency.
Kofi,
and all this.
And
America say, like the official position of the communication officer, say, Abrante, he misspoke.
So are you condemning it?
He misspoke.
Are you condemning it?
But that's a condemnation.
You are not even condemning your national youth organizer.
I am saying that. Oka say, after the national youth organizer spoke and signed an official statement in the year, then so it tells you it's an indirect condemnation of the position.
So are you condemning the position?
Yes, sir. Yenti say mo some penifo ya mabubo mudini na nya omo kan ye no.
You know why? I'm tempted to somehow some way support Kofi. Say if we don't put in the systems emma enye selectivity. Ye hwe woni man sa na ye tu anamo. Eno na anope maka nyina wa me say si ankodu mpempenso a yenhwe we anim na de Kofi ken because NDC ni bianso be kwakuja say obey 1 2 3 4 5 we and see MPP for say we the one kind there boy jabe to me see a chili kotu.
Look,
so all these things
Omahene Enra me say one of the producers a video from a constituency chairman onokra youth organizer of MPP
Okasa the boso
Okasa say one no yami omu nyina no mo omu ye mrantie we are ye bebo video ni open.
I've seen it.
Have you condemned it?
Yes, I have.
Has the police invited him?
Exactly.
I'm not aware.
Because or MPP ni. So no Sanya may nebema the youth organizer so be sorry akasa say. And the mu yes adia we will arm ourselves because the MPP penyi be kasa. Na ye giant.
Okay,
the same Ashanti region.
Just a minute, let me try one.
The same Ashanti region.
Okay, so Julian also that's what Julian general I think general manager Magdan o aviation who say what Jibra o hwe bi anope ya chia o ye kwa ba ye ba ye beto en kobo so Well, Yasaba Adamu Inamas here twice and we say quickly ma mentia mo amosumaje but lots of your text messages they be Adam because I am making cancer and me feel say e bi musu pa kwanya about
nanka me wo in the air
it was all
na me lande na me pe aka say look there should be fairness in the operations of the police.
Well, that's my
police said to me pretend they say the only time ma omo betin sem no and he say NDC ni ana obi a oni aben oye bibia e na ye beti. The police must be fair and the IG or you be a mibunu pa and he should orient the other lieutenants or no one here then juma to be fair just like him and firm. Because video na make one sem the same Ashanti region. Adentina youth organizer ni die yate. Oh, master. Who were him. So clearly, no, it's like ebinumudia you cover up.
That's how it's coming across.
That's how it's coming across.
And they're painful.
And
they're painful.
And no nebema near Ekosu ewo some of the communities are obeti say in Nkrofo facing military. In ewo parliament. 2 statements are was all about military and civilian engagements. Adentina ne nkado science military nam kra na so she just uniform.
Oh have ko she gatem kra.
O she just uniform on kra na wusuru.
Yeah. We should not get to that point.
And we did we got to a point where a macra etumi agency edigu military force.
We should not get to that point.
And then we have corrected it and brought their respect again. Now we've reached a point again now. The civilians want to confront you.
We shouldn't get to that point.
We shouldn't get to this point. Until the police must help.
Asudi Daesopa on this matter. It's unfortunate the young man spoke the way he spoke, but he spoke probably based on some of these things. Asudi Daeso. We also have to look at it from the other side. Just
say, Nipa 8 now, during election 2020, no, and
so the pain here is that, and Debbie Amaka said, NDC4 should change the narrative of Nanado Kunipa 8. No, but Nanado, you're too about MPP person. Well, it is the person Kakofi Kasa, but the Kofi person who say, how well have we as a state?
We had a leader of this country before in the name of His Excellency Jerry John Rawlings. Omo Troye say nipa eiraye. Every single person that got missing, Rawlings there the channel. So today, say what peniso or what? Yeah, the best show.
It is
so the 8 people
it is also be here for
exactly
by proper investigation.
Proper investigations.
The Oman, the mini opinion eke. Many are going to the extent say, yeah, I'm on the phone. I see who said democracy. And yet, it's just a difference in ideas. And yes, it will be fat, but my point is that say assembly said your boy selective we talent free and every selective amnesia
number going to buy elections.
Oh that is another matter for conversation.
Number can buy elections.
Who can buy etiwa
no etiwa no we buy elections mampini address nipa na buy elections na make address na o buy no reference buy elections
Anita munya
of course me I see we buy election now mampini election mampini kasa na make am once buy election
but be that is me
obi a comment about Talensia and now obi a comment about
be that is me what I'm saying is say BBC etiwa BBC ayawaswa na say investigation kura enyenwie pay ya your response should not be the
it's condemned.
That's the point I'm making.
It's condemned.
Anything that you have to condemn it.
Statement.
But the official statement condemns what the act.
You to organize and say solidarity.
So you prefer you
don't go to the don't go to the you are a member of parliament. If you take a position, that's not the position of the
MP. In parliament, you know your sorry, Ubia Beka the position on matters. When the speaker gives a ruling, that becomes the position of the house.
Entirety of the house.
Okay.
Enti niawoka ye niameka ye niaobiaka ye no. It is the ruling that becomes the thing. The communication officer of the party and the official position of the party abeto. Niaobiaka ye before that official position. Who person yenkoka ye no na yenja official position. It means you don't want solution to the issue.
Me know you agree say ye mienu nya as players in this game. You wasu die die so.
Of course.
Say ye ma ye kasa ho nte. Say the beya ye chitafo no. Sebe omunko ye
to trust them when you can say
there's no need for somebody to become president.
So remind your administration that there's a need for us to get to know what were the real causes of the 8 people or more.
Me person me a politician me ko Ashanti region a stronghold of maybe me opponent me nsuro
ko free
oba me
region. There's no problem.
There's no need say ono so be you know, there's no need for any politician to be afraid of any attack whatsoever. Yes, beyond normal general security. No,
my point was that condemn it. But me name baby or the name na do can we.
Did you we were just attacking him forgetting about that. See that
the moment ko can say mo dey
he talks about the foundation of the party.
No, revolutionary that mean to trust. No, revolutionary to trust.
Covid
revolutionary to trust.
I no crowd only. Covid Honorable Collins. Anytime NDC for Kasabian is premised on a situation they feel they are going through. It is either the situation is not true
so if you are going
or it can be helped.
So
the president
supporting what?
No, listen. Some of these things will help in solving the problem. The president John Dramani Mahama say, "Senkeba tiu, senkeba sa nyoma eye tutu asema." Sabi, omudo omofru ma no. You but it's a transformed
NDC. I'm saying that in NDC, Niao can say, come memo muakuku.
Of course.
That is the foundation of the NDC. Mamenka Semtreo, Eban or more or more violence about politics in the media. It is them. Kwame Nkrumah bomb throwing. The first school in this country.
Fantastic first attempt at school.
First school, the Ben Oti Ku e Ghana have first. One no mo ye. Na NDC wo ho. One no ye first. Violence and throwing of bombs. Say you to me the bomb bouquet for a president. Debt estate. Now, Kokrani Mrewa, we are demonstration. Abine the inside say Muboto Musika Kakra. Yeah, Jave or Musema, my account.
That's what we say.
Oh, say me born crown or Moji and K Ham. Look, but
it's just by the side.
No, but no. What can we say?
Or Moji me born that.
But so we say Abine Tiesa suggestions.
Omubuso amoye demonstration.
No, Abine
Emrewan in Kokra.
Abine to be to what go so eat from Rwanda in Kokra.
If you say Emrewan in Kokra. Emrewan in Kokra. Yeah, Auditor General report now about COVID in my publish.
Yesterday,
the Attorney General
gave a reason. No, he gave a reason.
Attorney General is worried. No. At the time we are doing debt exchange. No. And then it is publication exposing the way.
Be fair to Attorney General.
He gave, and I'm saying that the reasons he gave. The Section 23 of the Auditor General's Act, Emma no Kwanse on here then unpublishes.
But that is why he has brought it to Parliament.
And I'm saying that so the Attorney General should go and amend that provision. Auditor General in Bonnie. I am a member of the Public Accounts Committee.
Okay, so Wow, Jim, you are calling the DACP. I don't think you come so I enjoy conversation. Bribia, that we are so proud of you. So also Jim, how should be. Yami, I mentioned. Akwasi sia, I know better than I know where did you make a echo.